Hey guys, welcome back to Math for My Desk. Today I'll be solving a system of equations using the method of elimination. So let's go ahead and start. So here we have the system of equations where we have negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12 and 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. So when you want to use elimination, you want a variable to cancel out, right? So in this case, I noticed that we have a negative 4x and a 4x. So if I add those, negative 4x plus 4x, I get 0x, so it ends up cancel out. So I'm going to do addition in this case. So negative 4x plus 4x is 0. That's what I wanted to happen, right? Negative 2y plus 8y is 6y. And negative 12y plus negative 24, which is negative 12 minus 24 should be negative 36. So now we're left with 6y is equal to negative 36. So I divide both sides by 6. And then I get y is equal to negative 6. So that is our y coordinate. Now in order to solve our x coordinate, we can plug this y equals negative 6 into any equation we want. So let me go ahead and plug that into the first equation because the numbers are less messy. So we have negative 4x minus negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. So I'm going to have plus 12y. Sorry, plus 12, not plus 12y. Plus 12 is equal to negative 12. Then I can go ahead and subtract 12 from both sides. So I'm left with negative 4x is equal to negative 24. Then I divide by negative 4 in both sides. So the negative 4 cancels out on the left side. And x is equal to negative 24 divided by negative 4 is simply 6. So x is equal to 6. So I plug that. Now let's move on to a next set of problem. So we have 4x plus 8y is equal to 20 minus 20, and then we have a negative 4x plus 2y is equal to negative 30. So I think in this case here, I'm going to want the x's to cancel out because I noticed I have a 4 and a negative 4x, and when I add those, so if I do addition, these will cancel out. So let's go ahead and do just that. So 4x plus negative 4x is just 0, plus 8y plus 2y is 10y is equal to 20 minus 30 is negative 10. So then I divide both sides by 10. So this will cancel out here. So I get y is equal to negative 1. So that is our y coordinate. Now let's solve for the x coordinate. I'm going to plug in negative 1 wherever I wish to plug it in. So I have let me plug it into the first equation. So we have 4x minus 8 because 8 times negative 1 is negative 8 is equal to 20. Then I add 8 to both sides. So I'm left with 4x is equal to 28. Then I can go ahead and divide both sides by 4. So I have x is equal to 28 over 4. And 28 over 4 should be 7 because 4 times 7 is 28. Sorry, 7. So the answer to this system is 7, negative 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.